we are on our way to meet up with my friend Zach, who you know from previous videos. We're gonna take a cruise up Angeles Crest with some other of our friends. Get some cool shots up there, and on the way up, hopefully stop at some turnouts and get some cool, you know, cinematic style shots. But I'll catch up with you in a minute. It's all part of a balanced breakfast. No thank you. Can I just get an order of the medium curly fries? That'll be it. Balanced. Wait a minute, that's not a GTR. Oh, there it is. Looks just like it. You guys are twins. Really? Dude, I thought that was a GTR though. Here you go. God, you are a bad influence.
Oh yeah, let's just put it right. It's a GTR Sprite.
Product,
it's a limited edition.
It's product placement. Alright, let's just get something clear here. So this is Zach's choice of breakfast pastry.
Amazing.
Uncrustables peanut butter and strawberry jam sandwich. And I just want to make sure that you know it's soft bread. And remember, this morning I had Jack in the Box curly fries for breakfast.
What?
All right, we have made it to the meetup spot, as you can see. NSX right here, GTR buddy here. Product placement.
Waiting on some others.
We're squatting pretty hardcore right now. We have a built STI, two R35 GTRs, R32 right-hand drive sedan, NSX, and built Evo, which is chilling over there.
Well, that's the problem. It's not one of me. It's built for this place. Dude, that thing.
Oh my god. back in my own car now, as you can see. I'm gonna close the video here. I just want to say I had an awesome time today, just driving through the mountains. I know it's super, super hot. I know it only says 73, but it was like 102, so I definitely felt the heat. I'm gonna try and get the video edited as quickly as I can. Everyone in the video will have a link in the description to all of their social media, so if you want to hit them up, please do. They're awesome people. I really appreciate you joining me again on another journey, and until next time, see you guys.